Hello, welcome to the second part of Elements of Evaluation Chains. Another important model that we use, especially for larger corporations, is the Utilization Perspective model. It includes three main elements: the utilization perspective, the evaluation chain, and the relation group. The evaluation perspective, utilization perspective, evaluation chain model, and the relational group. The first is the relational group, which are a group of people that perform certain tasks contributing to the enterprise model, which is referenced in the work environment model. The second element is the utilization perspective, is used to connect relation groups and also references modeling goals and importance to evaluation chain. The third is the evaluation chain reference element that can be used in the model to reference another evaluation chain. Now we will be talking about the supporting models that are used as methods of assessment and representation of evaluation chain models. They include alternative assessment method and ordinal scales and utilization characteristic and the work environment model. The first model is for the alternatives, which includes symbols that are used in representing alternative tools that can be used in modeling process. They are of course not set to two examples. They depend on the preference of the company. So here, for example, we have tool A and tool B. Tool A is central modeling and tool B is decentral modeling in combination with CMS. So here we can insert as many alternatives as we would like. The second is the assessment method. The element of the assessment method is used to define the method of assessment that is employed for the evaluation. Example: test results at the end of the evaluation of training effectiveness is score to test fulfillment. The type of evaluation element is the method used to assess the model/evaluation. So here we have the assessment method and the type of evaluation result. In this example, we had the strategic controlling indicator analysis as the assessment method, and we had the type of evaluation result like a balanced scorecard. The next model is the ordinal scale background. The ordinal scale model is used to specify the scale used to measure effectiveness. The elements used are the ordinal scale and the scale value, and we have the aggregation and notice, and of course the arrows. The scale, first here we have a scale of 5-point scale. It includes optimal, good, satisfactory, weak, and unacceptable. We can add as many scales as we want and referencing them in the other models. And then we have the utilization characteristic. This model is used once to structure and define the different areas of modeling of the company in 3 dimensions: the general perspective, the content category, and the purpose of use. General perspective, first this is the perspective, and then we have the general purpose of use and the content category. The general perspective represents a strategy, a company's perspective on modeling, the reason behind modeling, why are they actually modeling. And last, we have the work environment model. The concept of usage perspective is to establish a balanced structure of groups that are connected with enterprise modeling. To identify the work groups, we have the work environment model. A performer, we have a role of modeler, and we have evaluation, and here are the performers, the modeling group. So the performer has to perform a certain task of, like, for example, model usage, and the performer belongs to a maintenance team. So after explaining this, now we can use evaluation chains and know all the elements that we have discussed throughout this video. Thank you for watching the video of elements of evaluation chains.